Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export contacts from Constant Contact to MAILCHIMP. All right. So first up, under Constant Contact, go ahead over to the left panel and either click on all contacts or list in segments. All right. To make your life easier, go ahead and select list in segments. And here, as you can see, these are my list and segments. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a list. For example, maybe my Outlook contacts in here. All right. For example, this one. So I'm going to go ahead over to the three dots and then click on export. Select the necessary fields. If not, just hit on export. Says here your contacts are being exported. Click on view progress. All right. Make sure that the pop-up, once it shows, click on view. I'm going to show you view progress. Click on it. All right. There you go. Here we have the recently requested file or contacts. So I'm going to go ahead and save it as a CSV. All right. Download. I'm going to save it on my desktop. I'm going to name it exported from Constant Contact, CC. Save. And then I'm going to go ahead over to MAILCHIMP. Go to the left panel, click on audience, and then go to the top right, click on add contacts. All right. Click on it and click on import contacts. And as you can see here, we have a ton of options. So let's just go ahead and click on upload a file here in the center. Click on it and then hit on continue. Drag and drop the file or click on this box, select the file, select the ones that you exported from CC or Constant Contact, hit on open, continue. Just wait for it to load. And it says here, we'll automatically replace the information with the data from your import. Otherwise, these duplicates won't be imported. Just go ahead and take out the tick box and hit on continue. If you want to add in some tags for this list, go ahead and do so. If not, hit on continue. Review it if you want to. Once done, hit on continue. It says here, we will add 3 new fields to your audience, including email status text, email permission, which is text, and source name text. Hit on confirm. And then you can go ahead and select the email marketing status to be subscribed, unsubscribed, non-subscribed, cleaned. All right. I'm just going to keep it as subscribed and click on finalize import. Complete. Now you can go ahead and start a campaign or view your new contacts. And there you have it. As you can see, it's only 3 because I included myself in that email, and it's not going to import it in here as that particular email is used to create this account. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.